Have you ever looked at a beautiful dress and wondered where it came from? Not the store it was purchased from, but the story behind it. What if that gorgeous dress used to be an oversized men's shirt, a pair of worn-out jeans, a vintage tablecloth, or even several forgotten garments stitched together into something completely new? That's one of the things I love most about upcycling. Every finished piece has a history, and every transformation is a reminder that creativity can turn something overlooked into something extraordinary. Instead of seeing fabric that's outdated, too big, too small, or no longer fashionable, talented creators see endless possibilities. They see skirts becoming bodices, sleeves becoming ruffles, collars becoming beautiful design details, and ordinary clothing becoming dresses that look like they belong in a boutique. Today, we're exploring an inspiring collection of dresses that were transformed from other clothing. And I think you're going to be amazed by the imagination, craftsmanship, and creativity behind every design. Some of these transformations are elegant, some are fun and playful, some are beautifully vintage inspired, and others are wonderfully unexpected. But they all have one thing in common. They prove that with a little vision, almost any garment can become something entirely different. As you're watching, pay close attention to the little details, because sometimes it's a clever fabric combination, an unexpected silhouette, or a unique embellishment that sparks an idea for one of your own future projects. Be sure to vote for your favorite dress by leaving its number in the comments below. If one design receives 100 votes, I may recreate the winning idea in a future video here on the channel. Now, let's take a look at these incredible upcycled dress transformations and see which one becomes your favorite. One of the most fascinating things about upcycling clothes into dresses is that almost every garment has the potential to become something completely unexpected. A long men's button-up shirt can become a breezy summer dress. A pair of denim jeans can be transformed into a stylish patchwork design. Oversized t-shirts can become comfortable everyday dresses, and vintage skirts, sweaters, jackets, or even several different garments can be combined to create a look that's entirely new. That's what makes dress upcycling so exciting. Instead of starting with a bolt of fabric and a blank pattern, you're working with pieces that already have their own character, textures, colors, and little details that can become part of the finished design. Sometimes the pocket ends up in the perfect place on a new dress. Decorative buttons become beautiful accents, or interesting seams inspire a completely different style than you originally imagined. Those little surprises often become the details that make a handmade dress feel truly one of a kind. I also love that there isn't just one right way to create an upcycled dress. Every creator brings a different vision, and that's what keeps this type of sewing so inspiring. I hope as you're watching today's collection, you'll begin seeing possibilities instead of limitations. Maybe one of these dresses will inspire you to rescue a forgotten shirt from your closet, give new life to an old pair of jeans, or combine several pieces you've been saving into something beautiful that you'll actually enjoy wearing. If you're enjoying today's dress transformations, I'd really appreciate it if you'd give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more creative sewing inspiration. If you're ready to try some of these ideas yourself, you'll also find tutorial videos linked in the description below to help you learn new techniques and build your sewing confidence. As you continue looking through these incredible dress transformations, I hope you'll notice that every single one started with someone who was willing to see possibilities where other people might have seen limitations. It's amazing how a simple change in perspective can completely transform the way we look at the clothes around us. An oversized garment becomes an elegant silhouette. Several forgotten pieces become one beautiful statement dress, and fabrics that never seemed like they belonged together suddenly create something that's stylish, wearable, and completely original. That's one of the reasons I find this type of sewing so inspiring. It reminds us that creativity isn't about having the newest supplies or the biggest budget. It's about looking at ordinary things with fresh eyes and having the confidence to ask, what else could this become? Every finished dress is a reflection of the creator's imagination, and no two transformations are ever exactly alike. That's what makes handmade fashion so special. Instead of following trends, you're creating something that's personal, meaningful, and impossible to duplicate. I hope today's collection has sparked new ideas and encouraged you to think beyond the original purpose of a garment. Maybe you'll combine fabrics you never would have considered before, redesign a forgotten favorite hanging in your closet, or create a dress that's completely unlike anything you've ever made. However your creative journey unfolds, I hope you continue exploring, experimenting, and enjoying every project along the way. I also have playlists filled with even more clothes upcycling inspiration, sewing ideas, and creative transformations that I think you'll really enjoy exploring after this video. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. There's a video on the screen for you to watch next, and I'll see you there.